Leave me. One man do something now. For the count of 3, leave my clothes. Before the count of 3, leave my clothes. 1, 2, 2. Come on, man. Come on. Leave me first. Next time, you don't know who they call for attack you. The man, go punish you. Carry your laptop. Carry on. Leave my shop, oh. I don't want to see you here again. Leave my shop. Don't imagine, you come my shop and they embarrass me. You want people to look me less, say I don't sabi work. And then say this laptop no better laptop. You can't come to me say my work, I don't work, I don't work. You don't work. Come on for my shop.
This thing I give you, give me my laptop.
Come on for my shop first. Shey you know the video this thing Abi. Shey you know the video am. Make this thing dey on record. You carry laptop wey don come out of date, come give me, tell me say my work. I tell you say this laptop don come out of date. Say no be better laptop. This thing a Pentium system now you give me. You dey tell me say my work am for you. I don't understand.
I know they follow you play.
You dey craze. Why the old man for close now?
You must give me my laptop.
Why the old man go like that?
Why the old man for close now? You dey mad?
My guy, what happen?
Shebi you dey the way this girl carry this laptop come.
Yeah, I know.
I tell her say this laptop don come out of date. Why you dey hold me for clothes? I go hold you. I go hold you for clothes too. I go hold you for clothes too. Daniel, they put this thing for record. Remember my fans they see am o. Na bad thing I do to repair your laptop.
Give me my laptop.
You dey spoil my business o.
Okay, you go buy and you go give me another one.
No,
You dey spoil my business o.
laptop.
You dey spoil my reputation for the
Give me
internet.
my laptop. If you not sabi work, now you go tell me say you no sabi work.
Which kind talk be that one?
My laptop.
My guy, you no sabi work.
Na today I no dey do work.
Sabi work now.
Na today I no dey do work. Not for my hand in them work.
Give me my laptop.
My guy sabi work now.
Madam, leave my clothes first.
Give me my laptop.
Leave my clothes first.
Yeah, leave him clothes first. Leave him clothes, go settle am.
Okay, if you put mat for this thing, go buy another.
Na my boy, which kind talk be that one? Na him na
Give me
no
another
no.
laptop.
Don't
No just put your mat for wetin no for
Madam, leave my
side.
clothes first. Leave my clothes.
Give me like it dey craze. Something dey worry you.
Leave my clothes now. I
Are you
go.
okay?
Yeah, wait.
Shebi dem excuse.
Wait, go bring your head and
Give me
come.
my laptop.
Go bring your head and come.
Okay, give me my laptop.
Muna come see o.
My laptop.
I say wait, go bring your head and come.
Daniel, go for security.
I beg you,
Go for that security.
Give me my laptop.
Go for that
Give me
security.
my laptop.
Madam, I no.
Yeah.
Laptop. Dey craze. Something dey worry you.
Wetin dey do you
Give me my
now?
laptop, abeg.
I think say this system no be better system. See your laptop here, na carry am. Make the laptop carry am come. Madam, leave me alone first.
See me.
Leave me
My
alone.
guy take.
Give me the laptop. See your laptop. I carry your laptop. Make it
No be
go.
like this today. Buy me.
You dey make people
Yeah,
dey
I
look
no
me
be like
less
you.
o.
laptop.
You dey make people dey look me less o.
You go beat me o.
No be like the way they dey come.
Stop the way you dey hold me like this na stop. Why you dey hold me like that? Na me ask.
Beat me. Take craze. Something dey worry you.
You know me before.
Give me nonsense
They say you come.
Na like this I give you this laptop.
Na like this you give me your laptop. Na
Buy
wetin
me
happen?
new one.
I go buy you new laptop.
Buy me new one.
I go buy you new laptop.
I say no collect shishi no
Leave my
collect.
I go beat you.
Yeah, beat me.
Because they dey touch woman o. Because they dey touch woman, I go touch you. I go touch you. Pass of me o. You no know me o.
Beat me, Farah. Your name na Farah. Dem born you
See wetin you dey do me. See wetin you dey do me.
because of my neighbor.
See wetin. Leave me. Come on, leave me alone. Come on, leave me alone. Daniel, leave me first. Leave me. Jesus. Jesus.
Because of my neighbor hold you.
Wetin you want this thing? Mona come now. Mona come see this. I'm saying you want. I'm trying to video this thing. Mona, leave me alone. Abi.
I can't laptop this. Something dey worry you.
Leave me first, Daniel. Leave me first. Leave me. One man do something now. For the count of 3, leave my clothes.
My guy, wait.
For the count of 3, leave my clothes. 1, 2,
My laptop.
2. Come on, man. Come on. Leave me first. Next time you don't know who they call for attack you. The man come punish you. Carry your laptop. Carry on. Leave my shop, oh. I don't want to see you here again. Leave my shop. Don't imagine you come my shop and they embarrass me. You want people to look me less, say I don't sabi work. And then say this laptop no better laptop. You can't come to me say my work. I don't work. I don't work. You don't work. You can't tell me I buy you new laptop. You don't mad. Your eye, if na your nose, may enter your nose. Go, get out. Carry the camera, come. If you know everything will belong to you, carry and go. I know why I know they bring my shop, come out for internet again, but why you go come like this and come embarrass me? Are you mad? Now everybody will see now go to joke with. Feel like may enter your eye, may enter your nose. It's none of my business. Just carry your thing, come off my shop, I beg.
I don't blind person.
Feel like me blind now. Blind Bartimaeus, where they will not be blind, him blind.
As you come carry your bag.
Cut the camera for me, Joe.